Good evening. My name is Luis Alfredo Cortés del Castillo. And right now, I'm going to read uh, my lesson planning. Okay, this is the group for adolescents English learners, level A1 beginner adolescents, learning strategy, speaking and listening. Topic: the directions. Activity objective. In this activity objective, learners going to exchange information and develop skills to speak and listen in a group through the purpose playful activity. Capture the students' attention throughout the game so that it assimilates new vocabulary related to directions. Ensure that students can orientate and receive guidance regarding directions. Class description. Okay, in the warm up for this activity, we must organize the classroom and the apprentices in two groups. We will need a vendor for the eyes, markers, and the bar. We also need to explain to students the dynamic of the activity so that they can assimilate and understand and so they can perform correctly. Resources. Organize the students in two teams. Use the materials, the ball, the band, and draw on the board a table of two columns in which the scores acquired by the teams will be reflected. This activity going to take 5 minutes. Presentation. The teacher will group the apprentices into two teams with a coin. They will throw away the look that the team will start with one of their members with their eyes bent to find the treasure. The team that starts looking for the treasure will then choose one of its members to whom the eyes will be blessed, and through the guidance of their teammate using the address vocabulary, they will have to find the treasure hidden by the river team in the classroom. Each participant will have 3 minutes to find the treasure. The team that managed to find the treasure in the right way will win the most times. And the research, a bandage, markers, coin, a blackboard, and the ball. This activity going to take 5 minutes. Okay, in the practice, the teacher explains the rules of the game to the teams. The game will start when ordered by the teacher. Each team will have to use the vocabulary of the addresses to guide their partner. We will win the team that achieve more success finding the treasure at the end of the game. Okay, in this activity, the resource and most the team that get the most scores going to win. And This activity, this activity going to take 30 minutes. Production. At the end of the activity, the teacher will evaluate the performance of the students in the activity and try to identify the positive and negative scores of the student in the use of the vocabulary of the addresses. Then he will organize an activity in which the student will individually go to the board on which there will be a map and will establish an address which will be given by the tutor. The three first five students who best manage the perform the localization activity using the vocabulary of the addresses according to the teacher's criteria will receive honorable mention. This activity going to take 15 minutes. Materials, markers, map, blackboard, assessment. After having carried out the practical activity of immersion in the language, each one of you will pass to the board in a writing form at least sentence using the vocabulary learned. A student with the best sentence writing using address vocabulary will be awarded a surprise prize by the tutor. The five best students will be part of an honor roll on a classroom, while with their respective photos in which they will be listed from 1 to 5 according to the position obtained. Okay, guys, and tutor for the students and for the second lesson planning I have choose the same methodology and lesson planning. Then I will omit and explain again the same because of it's the same activity that I have chosen for the adult activities. Okay, and thank you for watching my lesson planning, and I hope to see you again in another class. Bye bye.